Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Well, we're in a midweek kind of a mood today. So we have Walgreens, Meijer, and Walmart. So if you are at one of these stores towards the end of the week and you want to do a couple of these deals, 49-cent Tresemme hairspray, yes, and free stuff over at Meijer, it's great. But before we get into this, Dollar General is hosting a clearance event from May the 1st to the 7th. Lots of moving parts and lots of items that will be a quarter. I made a 20-minute video. I will link it at the very end if you guys want to check it out. Just so many great deals in there, and it's definitely worth your while. At least checking out the video, because you might be able to score some of these deals locally. And this clearance event is taking place every state. It's not just like 3 stores in Michigan. So they host this maybe like 6 times a year, and this is the biggest one with detergent and paper. So I will again link the video at the very end. Okay, class, now we're back at Walgreens. This morning, I think it was either 6 or 7 boosters that showed up, including a 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G products and a 7 back when you spend 35 on a basket. Lots of $10 back when you spend 25 on vitamins. Load them all. We'll talk about them next week. They're not activated till the 3rd, May the 3rd, which is Sunday. The first little deal we're going to talk about is this 49-cent hairspray, which you will find in the travel section. It's $3.49. We have a $3 digital if you didn't use it about a week ago. It makes it 49 cents after everything is said and done. I know a lot of you are traveling this summer, or even throw this in your bag for the beach. Absolutely fantastic. So I would definitely try and make this deal happen. The next deal that I absolutely love this week is the cheapest one for toothpaste or for toothbrushes. We have the Sensitive for $5, $5 reward when you buy 2, and we have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon. So it's just a really easy deal. You're going to load this friend, which is the 4 off a 2. It's of a one-time use. There's also one for toothbrushes. Do them in separate transactions, or you will only get 1 register reward if you do all 4 in one transaction. Grabbing 2 of these for 10. We're looking for the toothpaste. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay 6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This deal is also fantastic for the $9.99 Venus and the $9.99 Gillette Skin Guard. 2 of them will be $19.98. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons, you're paying $13.98. Getting back a $6 register reward. It makes it $7.98 for the 2 or $3.99 per very fancy razor. Stock up. This is a very good price. Other deals in the store that I think are kind of noteworthy is the $5.99 Meow Mix. It's usually closer to $8. So this is not a bad price point, especially if you want to use register rewards or Walgreens cash. Absolutely. And we have the buy 1, get 2 for free on the Walgreens freezer bags. So it basically shakes it out to 93 cents per box of 20. It's these larger bags, the sandwich bags, the snack bags. You can mix and match, but 93 cents is definitely a really good stock up price for these bags. Another deal that a lot of people are scoring are the buy 1, get 1, 50% off on the everyday plates at $3.49, 50% off for the second. So it's basically like $5 for 2 for like 180 plates. If you want to use Walgreens cash, go for it. But a lot of people have been clearing these plates because it's grilling season. Over at Walmart, there's 2 types of dish soap. This is always a your mileage may vary with clearance, meaning what's happening here in Michigan might be the same as Texas, but not the same in Maine. $2 for these really large dish soaps. This one's in lime. It seemed kind of a weird scent to me. And there's one in guava. $2 from almost $5, so not a bad little deal. You might want to look for that in the dish soap aisle. Look for the paper plates and solo cups there too. A lot of them have been reported on clearance, not at my location though. Okay, the next clearance item that I did find at my local Walmart was a lot of feminine care, and it was weirdly priced. These boxes were $3.50 each, and it's the 26 counter of the light and regular of the Tampax Radiant. So grabbing 2 of these are $7, and here's the UPC. So you might want to walk down that feminine care aisle. Lots of items on clearance. I paid that full $7, and then through the app, the Walmart app, got $3 back in Walmart cash. You have to load it before you do your purchase. The final price point here was $4 for the 2 or $2 per box. It's usually, I think, close to $9 for a box of these tampons. So this is a very good deal any way you look at it. So walk down that aisle at either IBOTTA or Walmart cash, make it happen. Store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest. Big shout out to a friend, Rolling Coupon Mom. She's an Instagrammer. She usually is on top of all these Meijer deals, so I kind of have a couple of her deals on display this morning. I will leave her link in the notes if you wish to follow her. She's always fantastic for these deals. Again, she's on Instagram. The link will be in the notes. So the first deal, if you can grab an additional $6, you will get back $6.25 with Fetch if you have the same rebate. Because they have Fetchtopia, every rebate now is doubled. So it's really, really great to spend $25 to get $6.25 back on these meat potato cleaners. We have this, which is a 15 off of 50 on the P&G household items, valid right till the 26th of May. This is the only one we're getting this month. And so I'm just going to go through what I put into the cart and tell you the digitals. So this Tide, there's a $5 digital that is attaching, and it's for the liquid. So toss one of those in, whatever scent. We have another toothpaste. I think it was $8.99, and there was a $5 digital for this as well. So thank you, Rolling Coupon Moms, for finding that one this morning, because it's absolutely tremendous. The Downy, we have a $3 digital. It's either this one or that big blue one, but for whatever reason, could not add one to the cart this morning in my region. They were all cleared out. Maybe people are using them for fuel to drive. Who knows? Sorry, I have a stupid sense of humor. We also have a $2 digital attaching to this Febreze. So it makes it $3.99 after everything is said and done. And then another Febreze product that you're going to grab is a double pack of the sprays. And there's additionally another $2 digital attaching to this product. And the final item is a pack of the Cascades, and there's a $1 digital attaching, along with the 15 off of 50. The smartest thing to do when you're in the store for all this stuff is to open up the shop and scan, throw it all into a digital cart, and is this reconciling the way that we're talking about? And if it isn't, you might be grabbing the wrong item. So you really have to pay attention. And this is a 9 counter with the $1 digital coupon. Now, just to show you guys the overall bingo chart here, it was $55.24. After everything said and done, is $18.94 plus tax. Now, this won't qualify for that Fetch rebate, but if you add another $6 of items, it will. You decide, do you want to grab more expensive stuff, or is $18.94 a good deal? I think $18.94 is a really great deal. It's basically a third of the cost for a basket. Fantastic. There's also this deal with the Breyers 2 for $8. It's called the Sunday Swirl ice cream. So whichever one that says Sunday Swirl, you really have to pay attention to what I'm talking about, because if you grab just any old 2 Breyers, you're not going to qualify for these rebates. Currently on the app, there's a 2 off of 2. I saw 2 different ones on my app, but just load one of them that will attach. Again, shop and scan is your best friend. Over on the Fetch rebate app, 2,600 points per container. So it's just like about $5-ish of points that you'll get. And I'll show you the math breakdown as well. And it's on the Sunday Swirls. So if you're going to grab 2 chocolates and think, oh, this is good enough, it absolutely isn't. And they actually itemize what is and is not included. So just really pay attention and see redemption up to 5 times. So you're going to do this 2 times. 2 of these ice creams for $8, subtracting the digital, you're going to pay $6, get back 5,200 points back from Fetch, basically making it 80 cents for the 2 or 40 cents per tub of ice cream. With Memorial Day and the summer right around the corner, definitely stock up on this one if you love ice cream. Okay, the final deal that we have is on the Hellmann's mayonnaise. You're going to grab 1 regular and then 1 flavored one, whichever ones they might have at your store. Unfortunately, they don't have that handy dandy itemized list. I wish they did. You're going to load this digital coupon, which is a $2 off, which is really fantastic. Over on Fetch again with Fetchtopia and the doubling, I'm not sure how many you might have, but there's one for flavored and one for regular. So if you have both of them, you're going to get 4,000 points back. Unfortunately, I just have the flavored ones right now, but if you have the second rebate, you'll get the full amount back. Unfortunately, I don't have the visual for you guys. Grabbing 2 of these mayonnaises for $6. Remember, grab a flavored one. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $4, and then get back 4,000 points back from Fetch, essentially making it completely free. And double, triple check your apps if they're lining up to what we're saying. And go and follow Rolling Coupon Moms. Again, her account is linked in the notes. She deserves a good follow. That's it for this video, and Dollar General's linked right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.